If you are someone who wanted to make consistent profit from the stock market, you need to do two things right. First, you need to identify good quality of businesses and stay invested for some time. Now, the question is how to identify good quality of businesses. A good businesses has certain parameters. Look at their top line and bottom line growth. Also, you need to look at that revenue generated from the businesses should converting into cash or not. So if you look at their cash flow statement in the cash from operating activity, if you look at their consistent growth, that means the business is growing in cash. Next parameter, you need to look at the ROE, return on equity. Now, as a business owner or an investor, I should be more concerned about what is the return I generated from my invested capital. This is a very important parameter to look at. A good business has a high and consistent ROE or ROC. Also, you need to make sure that the company that you are selecting should not have too much leverage. A company should not borrow too much of external capital. In addition, you need to check the quality aspect of the business. Start with the management. Assess if they are honest or competent enough to run the business. Please read the annual report for few years, particularly management discussion section, if they are able to deliver their promises in the past or not. If you identify good businesses with the set of this parameter, now you need to buy them in a very low price tag. Yes, I'm talking about the right valuation. One of the best measurement to identify a good stock is identify its margin of safety. When the intrinsic value of a stock is much higher than the market price, that means the margin of safety is maintained. If you wanted to know more about margin of safety, I am coming with the next video on how to identify the margin of safety. So please connect it and stay subscribed to this channel. You will get lot more value. Now the second method. Second step, you need to identify a stock at right time. Use the price action method to identify the right time zone of a stock. Stock market is a game of demand and supply. Now the stock price move from the lower of the curve to higher of the curve. You need to enter a stock and the lower of the curve with the proper risk management strategy. If you wanted to know exact strategy how to identify good quality of stock, also identify the right time zone, I am conducting 3 hours live Money Love Speed investment mastery program where you will going to learn each and every strategy in step-by-step process so that you can learn and apply the same. So link is in the description section. I will see you in the workshop. Cheers.